Just walking the field now, taking a look at everything. This is the Radio Control Club of Detroit's Big Bird Giant Scale Fly-In, Fun Fly. There's a low-wing jobbies there. I don't know the name of these. That Hughes Airlines looks pretty sweet. I'm not sure if they're going to fly that today or not. If they do, I'll get some video of it. Nice glider, that fits in. But look at this monster. I'm standing next to this. This looks like to be about a 3rd scale. I literally have to back up to get the full length of that wingspan. That is almost a 9-foot wingspan, it looks like. It's beautiful. 27-inch propeller with a 10-inch pitch. Fantastic. I can't wait to see that. So head on to the airliner. Looking sweet. It's a smaller scale planes. That looks like about a 1/4 scale. The Cub there. Looking good. That's what we got. There's a little smaller Cub. And then look at this bad boy here. That's a beautiful looking plane. Guess we had a really good turnout this year. Some tables are available. Interesting designs. Here comes a successful pilot. Rolling it on in. Nice job, nice job.
It's only the 2nd flight I've had on there.
Oh, we got plenty of time.
So not too bad.
Excellent.
2nd flight ever.
Awesome. Oop. Here's an ultra stick. Look at that monster prop on that bad boy. Got some towels over the cockpits, keeping the pilots cool. I'm sure that's not what that's for. I'm not sure what it's for, but I'm sure it's not for that. It's a little glider there. Come around. We got some goodies. There we go. That one looks pretty sweet. There's another event coming up pretty soon. Watts over Wetzel. Good old t-shirt from that. Coming out middle of August this year.
When I had these wings open, I never looked, but
Looking beautiful. This is a great turnout.
Really?
Look at that. Beautiful biplane.
well, I don't come out very often, but I've been out. I was out Monday and Tuesday.
Got some tables turned over. Guys working on one over there. Looking good. And these guys are getting ready to be assembled here. Got another Cub. These seems to be pretty popular this year so far. Another Cub. And then there's a big old wing for that bad boy over there. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous looking plane. We got a Corsair over here. Just need a wing assembly and we'll be good to go. Can't wait to see these either. We're going to get some recordings of these. All right. Not a bad turnout this year. Looking real good. Very cool. Check in with you later.